So we have a part of it. Now in this case it says an electron is there in a hydrogen atom that would be jumping from second excited state to the first excited state. Now they are asking ऐसा कौन सा हमारा spectral series करता है. That electron is there in a hydrogen atom and it would be jumping from second excited state to first excited state. So this can be done in the which series? Balmer series. Balmer series में आपको ये देखने को मिलता है. They are saying second part में find the ratio of the wavelengths of the most energetic spectral lines in the Balmer series to that in the Paschen series of hydrogen spectrum. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा? I would be using the formula of 1 by lambda is equal to r and I would be taking the initial stage ni लेंगे हम यहाँ पे ni square minus nf square लेंगे. So यहाँ पे हमारा first stage क्या है? That's 2. n is equal to 2 क्योंकि बाल्मर सीरीज है. And then I would be considering here 1 by 2 square and with respect to infinity, और this is nothing but 1 by lambda for Balmer series. अब Paschen के लिए सेम लिखते हैं. So that's r as it is, और Paschen कौन से नंबर पे होता है? That's at 3. So 1 by 3 square minus 1 by infinity is there. तो हमारे पास पहले में से क्या वैल्यू आ जाएगी? I would get 1 by lambda b is equal to r times 1 and then 2 square is there, तो ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा? 4. Second situation में lambda p is there is equal to r times 9. नीचे क्या आएगा हमारे पास? 9 would be there. Now we need to take the ratio of the wavelengths. अभी सबसे पहले सिचुएशन में से क्या निकलेगा? अगर मैं lambda b निकालना चाहूँ तो इसमें से that would be nothing but 4 by r, और लैम्डा पी अगर क्रिएट करना चाहो तो क्या हो जाएगा? 9 by r. नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? वी नीड टू टेक द रेशियोस. अब रेशियोस लोगे तो क्या करोगे? एक तरीके से लैम्डा बी को लैम्डा पी से डिवाइड कराओगे. लैम्डा पी इज नथिंग बाय 4 by r. लैम्डा पी इज 9 by r. r and r can be cancelled, so you have 4 by